The blue-footed booby, with its comically bright azure feet, embodies nature's quirky brilliance. Found along the Pacific coasts of the Americas, from Mexico to Ecuador, these seabirds are adept hunters, plunging into the ocean from impressive heights to catch fish with pinpoint accuracy. Their peculiar mating dance, showcasing their vibrant feet, is a spectacle of courtship and genetic fitness. Despite their goofy appearance, blue-footed boobies are resilient and essential to marine ecosystems, maintaining a delicate balance as top predators. Studying them reveals not only their ecological role but also the wonders of adaptation and biodiversity in our oceans.